Hey guys, Ben here from Wrench Benders. I recently installed Vixen Air water traps on my air management system, and since I have two compressors, I installed two of them because you need one for each compressor. Each compressor builds heat when it compresses air. That heat will cause condensation. Condensation will hurt the internals of your air suspension system and can hurt the longevity of the system overall. So let's take a look where I've got them mounted at, and we'll see if there's any water in them. Here is my Vixen Air water trap, and if you look over on the other side, there's another one right over there. I've got one for each compressor going into each tank. And I've been operating this quite a bit, and if you look, there's a gauge on there to show how much water's in it. And I just dumped all the water out of that one. And now you can see the gauge doesn't have water showing anymore. So having that moisture in there is bad for your air compressor system. And yeah, that was, look at that. See the moisture all over the ground here? So that right there is helping protect my entire system. And so I need to go drain the other one now. So if you guys have an air management system that does not have a water trap in it, just know that kind of moisture is getting in your system. And if you want to fix that, Vixen Air can hook you up with a water trap and many other components to complete your system. I know that for the Lodestar, I'm not worried about the internals of my system, knowing I can get rid of the water.